If you're looking for a rental in Los Angeles, here are a few tips to help. Number 1, drive around desired neighborhoods and look for yard signs for available rentals. The best rentals are often not listed online. 2, do a social media or next door post and ask if anyone knows about available rentals in your preferred areas. Number 3, when contacting landlords or online management, inquire about other available units and request to be notified of new options. Number 4, explore various rental websites beyond Zillow, such as Trulia, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace. Number 5, if you have a flexible move-in date, look for rentals around April 1st and August 1st. Landlords know they can get a higher rent during these months, so many times they will hold off listing their place until these months. Number 6, look at rentals just above your budget. Oftentimes, the landlords will negotiate a lower rental price if it's been on the market for a long time. Look at how many days on market the listing has been available. Number 7, follow me for first access to off-market rental opportunities.